So yes, your buoy is operating, and I'm sorry, it's a small map here, but if you can see that little blue dot there.
เป็นสีฟ้าตรงนั้นนะคะเป็นทุ่น
So one buoy in Phuket area maybe.
Yeah, so it would protect from something like the 2004 event. You would see the wave coming across, and
Where's the buoy again?
the buoy is that little blue dot right there. So if there's an earthquake, then you would see big signals coming in on these stations. And they would come in at different times on different stations, depending upon, here's the earthquake, how far away is the station from the earthquake? 1946. It came from an earthquake in the Aleutian Islands, and there was no warning system at all in Hawaii, and it created quite a big tsunami in the state here, and people were killed on every island in our state. And at the time this event happened, the scientists knew that following a big earthquake you could have a tsunami, and they had recorded this big earthquake in the Aleutian Islands, and so they knew there was a possibility, but because there was no system in place, there was no way to warn the public. So you see that one little white dot there? Well, it now turned yellow. That means the computer thinks it saw a signal on that station, and we could look. So if we, in a minute, we'll see. This is California.
What country?
Colombia.
Colombia.
HEL. So here we'll do this PK.
สถานการณ์จริงนะคะตอนนี้มีการรายงานว่า
So see all the little white dots?
แผ่นดินไหว
So that-
ที่แถวโคลอ
that
มเบีย
means
คาดว่า
So this is an earthquake coming in. It's not very big, but good demonstration.
Just in time for demonstration.
Yes. But this is a very small earthquake, probably around a magnitude 5.
อันนี้แต่ว่าอันนี้เป็น
We actually sent out a message that said there's a big earthquake in the Indian Ocean, but there's no threat to the Pacific because our center was dealing with the countries in the Pacific, including Thailand, but including only the South China Sea coast of Thailand, not the Indian Ocean Sea. But we thought, well, there can be a tsunami here in Indonesia, but the first reports of casualties came from Thailand. It said one person had been killed in Thailand, and we thought, wow, how could the tsunami get across Sumatra to get to Thailand? But of course, the tsunami was generated all along this area, so no problem coming to Thailand. So we can we can
So
put
you
it,
wanna,
and now we will run our model. And it asked me if,
สีมันสวยนะ
and so we can see, oh gosh, you know, since now we're only responsible for coasts in the Pacific, operates 2 tsunami warning centers, one here and one in Alaska, and we cover all of the U.S. domestic coasts. But our center also covers all the countries around the Pacific and the South China Sea, including the South China Sea coast of Thailand, and we cover all the countries in the Caribbean Sea as well.